everybody, Domino 7 here. For some reason, this video doesn't have a title. Okay, I'm only gonna upload this video on two of my channels, Domino 866 Gameplay and the Domino 7 Vlog channel. Okay, just on those two channels. Okay. All right. So anyway, I had a good night's sleep last night though. Okay. All right. Yep. So as y'all looking at what was being played, this gonna be uploaded on YouTube very soon. Okay. How am I doing? I'm doing good. So somebody messaged me. All right, y'all. I wanna tell y'all something. Okay. What's been on my mind? I did not expect this to be on my mind. I really did not expect this for the life of me. You understand? I don't know why. I don't know how. Honestly. Okay. So to let y'all know what was going on, it's about last night when I was sleeping. Okay. I had a dream. I was in New Iberia. Okay. Yeah. So I don't know who's watching this though. I don't know who watching this. I don't know who gonna watch this. I don't know if somebody watching this 2, 3, or 4 years from now, or 20 years from now, or whenever. Okay, so I gotta say what I gotta say. Okay, so I had a dream I was in New Iberia. Do y'all remember that apartment I used to live in? You know, in New Iberia. my my very first studio, well, my first TV studio at that. That's when I started doing my YouTube shows at, So I call that my studio. Okay, so this is my new studio. Okay, my house is my studio. But anyway, as I was saying, y'all, I had a dream I was in New Iberia, in that same apartment where I was living at, in the Cherokee apartments. Okay, I mean, sometimes these dreams are so realistic. It is so realistic. Okay, so to let y'all know something, I was chilling in his apartment. Okay, I was looking out the window. Do y'all want to know who I saw? Oh my God, I seen Tanya, y'all. I seen this girl named Tanya. That's the girl I used to be close friends with. Eventually in a relationship with her and stuff like that. Okay, so anyway, she was talking with somebody. She was laughing and smiling and all that, which I love to see. You know. hmm I stepped outside and stuff like that. Then Tanya saw me. Oh, hey, D, I miss you. Holy smokes! She missed Domino. Okay. Uh, let me tell y'all something. Okay. All right. All right. So all I remember is talking to her cousin Brandon on the phone. Do y'all remember Brandon? That it appeared on my show? Do y'all remember? Well, I'm gonna let y'all know something, y'all. Okay. I mean, all I remember was talking to him, asking how Tanya doing, how Kayla doing, how his family doing, how this dude Vaughn doing. Do y'all remember Vaughn? I'm talking to the viewers that watch my show. Do y'all remember him? That's all I'm wondering. Okay. But you know what, y'all? Uh, I mean, why? Why? I mean, let me tell y'all something. I wasn't thinking about her. I wasn't none of that. You know. So watch this. Well, check this out, y'all. Okay. So that's all I'm saying, y'all. I mean, dream about this girl. It wasn't even my. Wait a minute. It wasn't even my intentions to dream about her. It wasn't my intentions. It wasn't my thoughts. She wasn't even in my thoughts and stuff like that. I'm not mad at her or nothing. I'm not mad at her, honestly, because Cause let me tell y'all something, y'all. A long time ago, I think this was 2021 or something like that, or 2022 or something like that. I had a dream. I cursed her out, called her a filthy, dirty names and stuff like that, and then she started to cry. You know, I had a dream. I made her cry. It was the worst dream I ever had of her. You know, so yeah, I was kind of getting upset thinking about her. You know, to be honest with y'all, yeah, I miss her. To be honest with each and every one of y'all, you know, because in 2021, okay, 21, I was going through something, not knowing that my good friend was going through something. I had no slightest idea, you know. So yeah, I was a bit angry with Shamika, you know. That's probably what made me dream about Tanya, honestly, you know. Okay, so all I'm saying, y'all, I mean, this is this is something I wasn't expecting, honestly, you know, because all I remember, 2011, we had a serious falling out. People was interfering in our business and shit, you know. Okay, so well, I don't want to sound like Flesh and Bone and yelling curse and stuff, you know, because you know Flesh and Bone, he very sensitive on things, you know. Well, Flesh and Bone, if you're watching this, I'm not trying to dish you on nothing, okay? So Flesh and Bone, I apologize if you feel kind of offended for what I'm saying, you know, because what I was talking about when you was making that video when somebody was talking about you wasn't around, blah blah blah, and all that. Y'all know we don't know how it is being Bone Thugs and Harmony on a level 4 prison yard or something like that. I don't know how it is to be Dominoes 7 on a level 4 prison yard, you know? So I haven't been there. And Flesh and Bone, I'm sorry you had to go through that. Because, you know, throughout that time, I had no idea you was locked up to begin with. But I thank God that you out of jail, you know, because you know I mean I really enjoy your music, you know. Okay, so check this out. All right. So I'll get back to what I was talking about later. All right. So so as I was saying, y'all, I mean, I never thought in my life I would dream about Tanya last night. It wasn't even my intentions, you know, not obsessive or nothing, you know. I really didn't expect that, ladies and gentlemen. I did not, for the life of me, did not expect that. You understand? Mm-hmm. Yep. So as I was saying, y'all, I mean, I do miss Tanya, honestly, though. I mean, I did not expect to dream about her. That was very unexpected, you know. So so by that being said and done and stuff like that, you know, I mean, the way I think about that and stuff like that, who's this? Family Feud, where at? You know, Steve Harvey on the Family Feud is probably probably okay. Where this Family Feud at? You know, let's see what this is. Five Steve Harvey Family Feud full. Well, never mind all that though. Probably a Family Feud. You know, cause you know I watch Family Feud from time to time. You know, yeah, you know. So as I was saying, you know, Tanya, to be honest with each and every one of y'all, she's a sweet girl, honestly. She not bad news to be honest with y'all, you know. Okay. I mean yeah, so I'm laughing. The reason why I'm laughing because uh well, think about what she was saying, you know. Let's go on the balcony, y'all. But to be honest with y'all, I did not expect to dream about her last night. I ain't expect that at all. To be honest with y'all, okay. They was wondering who I was cursing at on Instagram. This girl Latoya asked me that. Hmm. So speaking of Talia, I blocked her on all my social medias, Instagram and Facebook. Because she dealing with a gangster named Derek. Hmm. Yeah. So I blocked her and all that, and I don't regret it at all. Hmm. Look at the sun shining, the sun shining. All right. Did I blind y'all with that? So as I was saying, y'all, you know, I mean that was very unexpected last night. I mean, one more time, what happened last night? I was sleeping. I mean, sometimes dreams are realistic. Do 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 y'all know that? Sometimes dreams is realistic. Dreams are very realistic these days. So I can't believe this Facebook Live video doesn't have a title. Can't believe that. You know. So as I was saying, y'all, I just can't believe it. Definitely can't believe it. That dreams are realistic. You know, dreams sometimes is realistic. You know, uh huh. Because sometimes dreams seem like they're real, but it's pictures in your head fiction. I'm like, I don't know. It's a possibility. I'm a talk to Tanya soon. But the crazy thing about it is she don't know what happened to my mama. She don't know that my mama passed away. She haven't been watching my shows. I don't know when the last time she ever watched my show. I don't know when the last time. Yeah. So like I said, I do gaming to keep y'all interested in coming to my channel. That's why I do gaming. All right. Okay. So anyway, y'all. Yep. Did y'all see that? Hmm. Cause I'd be like, I don't know why I dreamt about her, but she was smiling and all that. Can't believe I'm saying this, but put the camera on myself. I'm say it. What I need to say. Now I'm gonna say what I see. Oh my goodness! I should have dreamt about Kirsten last night, Kirsten K, instead of Tanya. I don't know why I dreamt about Tanya last night. I don't know why. You know, but oh well. Life goes on. I got a feeling this girl gonna say I shouldn't have stopped talking to you. You know, I don't know honestly. I really. Oh, a good friend of mine is watching me, but I'm not gonna bring her on camera. I want to talk to this girl though, but I'll talk to this girl off camera. Ronisha, that's who watching me from Facebook. All right, so hello, Ronisha, if you still watching, okay. Mm-hmm. All right. I guess Ronisha stopped watching. Oh well. And that's all for now. Okay. I'll see y'all later.